Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, so last session we looked into the vertical scroll speed being not quite right when the aspect ratio was weird or the camera pitch was low. Yeah, so yeah, I think we got it fixed. But there is one question. Can we simplify this? Like, do we have to use a matrix for this? Or can we just use this rotation here to transform, to rotate the vector? Is that maybe possible? Rotate. Rotate. Matrix. Rotate vector. Let me go to vector 3. Does that, it does have rotation. What is sin angle, cos angle, I guess? Rotation, warning, modifies this vector. So it's in place. So I wonder if we can just do in place rotation instead of using the matrix as a middleman. So instead of this here, can we do so word start, word end. So basically we would assign world end to view end, yeah. And same for start. And then we would take the rotation, so that's const real z rotation. And then we take this guy and then we do world start dot rotate z by this angle. Yeah. Can we do that? World end. World start. View start. View end. Yeah. Actually, do we even need the middleman? I think we could just do. We could just remove. Let me move this down here. So we can remove that, and then we take these guys. And then we do world start and world end. And then we don't do this, we just rotate them. Boom. Camera transform, there we go. That would be simpler math if that works. Yeah, skip the matrix, just rotate the vector if that works. I don't know. Let's see. What does rotate Z do under the hood? Yeah, that looks pretty straightforward. Okay, let's see. So, yeah, start the match. Okay, so press F9. Good, so that looks good. Yeah. Then let's rotate the camera, and that still works as well. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, let's lower the camera, and that also still works. Fantastic. Yeah. Then we do this higher pitch, and that also works. That's fantastic. And then we can, yeah, and then that's it, no? Oh, what is this? Okay. Okay. That looks strange. Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah, that is a simpler implementation. That's much appreciated. Okay, then let me add a comment here. Super hackers add bug fix. Only rotates. Now rotates. Now rotates the. Now rotates the. How do we say? Now rotates the view space. How about we call it view plane? View plane. Now rotates the view plane on the z-axis. Rotates the view plane on the z-axis only to prevent to ignore camera pitch, to ignore to properly discards the camera pitch. Now rotates the view plane on the z-axis only to properly discard the camera pitch. Maybe we put that up here. Now rotates. The aspect ratio also no longer modifies the vertical. Vertical scroll speed. Okay, I think that works. Okay. Okay, so we get the camera transform, the Z rotation, Okay, that looks good to me. So this is 0-hour code, right? Yeah. Good, then we do a stash here on this one. Go to main branch. What is this? What is this used for here? Screen. It's used for nothing. Start. That is used. Delta. I have no idea what this magic value here is. It seems weird. Const expr. Okay, so it looks to me like this screen value here can be removed. I don't see where this is used. So let's do that. So this one is needed. World is also needed. This one is needed. Yeah, and anything else? I think that's good enough. Good. Then we create a branch. Fix vertical scroll speed. All right. This one needs to be reverted, and this one as well, and this one as well. Yeah. Okay, let's revert all this garbage here. And let's test it one more time. This camera transform actually returns a reference, so we can optimize this here. Actually, I might as well just do like this. Good. So there will be fix scrolling, fix vertical scroll speed box. Yeah, before we push it, let's test it one more time. Okay. That looks good. Then we rotate the camera, and that also looks good. Well, apart from colliding here with the mountains, that is. Okay, cool. I think that's nice. Then we can push that. Okay. So this change will close this one. Closes that, and this change fixes the vertical scroll speed box. The aspect ratio. The aspect ratio calculation is useless. It's useless, and the camera pitch must not be part of the view plane to scroll by. Because that totally messes with the scroll speeds. Okay, so it's bug minor input, I guess. Gen ZH bug gen input minus ZH. Good. Pixel. Good. Then I will add a comment here. It also fixes this here. Um, Closes that and fixes that. This change correctly identified the problematic aspect ratio calculation, aspect ratio math. But effectively did not properly fix the vertical scroll speeds. I have created another change that fixes it. I've created a change that fixes that. Effectively does not properly fix the vertical scroll speed. New change addresses that. Okay. Good. Okay, did we forget anything? It needs to be replicated to generals then. Yes, to do replicates in generals. Good. Can also change the title to bug fix. Okay. Then do we have any pending approved reviews? Yes. Yeah. additional selection information. What's the time? 30 minutes. I think I will take a break here already after 30 minutes. Yeah, to go on a quick run before sunset. Yeah, and then we'll be back. Good. But yeah, we made still good progress. Opened the review, so I think that's good. Okay. Then I wish you a great day or night until next time. Goodbye.